Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Let's ditch the paper and turn that PDF into a Docusign envelope in seconds. First things first, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, look for the New button, usually located on the top left, and give that a click. This opens up the options for creating a new Docusign envelope. From the drop-down menu, select Upload. This will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to select the PDF document you want to convert into a Docusign envelope. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored, select the document, and click Open. Docusign will now begin uploading and processing your PDF. Great! Your PDF is now uploaded and displayed within Docusign. You'll see your document ready for action. On the left, you'll find the tools to add signature, date, and other necessary fields. Simply drag and drop the appropriate fields onto your document where you need signatures or other information. Assign each field to the correct recipient using the drop-down menu. It's super intuitive. Once you've placed all your fields, review the document one last time, and then click the Send button, usually located at the top right. That's it. Docusign will automatically send the document to your recipients for electronic signature. Now you have successfully converted a PDF document into a Docusign envelope, saving you time and paper.